darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach about heaven and hell. In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music make everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close, moving over to me through the memories that only the shadows on the ceiling know. The whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody starting to take hold. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, said honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. If we're lucky, the country music make everything alright. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said, "You want some coffee?" Said, "Yeah, babe, I take a little sugar in mine." She got up, put on a morning dress, but she forgot to put back on her disguise. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes, except that country music. In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's Hands all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach you about heaven and hell. In the darkness I could feel her thinking about somebody else.